before you squish it, can you count in bahasa? Can you count in bahasa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. How about in English now? One more time, okay? Before you squish this, how about counting in English? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You forgot the 18, you. Just like mommy did before.
Trouble.
Yeah.
Trouble. To make trouble.
Strudels. Strudel bites.
Nice.
Okay, you squish it. You squish it. Go squish it.
Nice good.
No, over here on the strudel bites. You can have the rest, but we have to put it on the strudel bites first. Bun. Spread it evenly. Next. Oh no, next. There you go. Very good. Hey, can you sing the new song that mommy taught you?
No, I make no one.
Kalian dengar? No katanya. Saya suruh nyanyi lagu baru yang saya ajarin, nggak mau dia. How about lagu Lihat Kebunku?
No.
Why not? If you sing, mommy will give you more. You want to sing with mommy together? Oops, let's go sing together. Lihat kebunku. Mary, mommy will give you more. Here, mommy squeeze it for you. Let's sing. Lihat kebunku penuh dengan bunga. Ada, see, mommy squeeze it for you. Ada yang putih dan ada yang merah. Setiap hari ku siram semua mawar melati. Semuanya indah. Good job. High five.
1, 2, 3.
It's only 2.
1,
2. See? Okay, let me get orange for us.
It's 2. It's 2.
What?
It's 3. It's 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
20. You're cheating. You are cheating. Hey, what's the color of these? What color is it?
30. Orange.
Good job. In bahasa oranye.
Anya.
Oranye. Oranye. Aku belum mandi, tak tung-tung, tapi masih cantik juga, tak tung-tung. Kalau belum mandi, tak tung-tung, tapi masih cantik juga.
Yeah. There you go. I gotta retighten this, Dad. I know, I want to rock the...
How do you retighten this? Like that?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, be careful. There you go. Go down a little bit. Okay, okay. All right.
You stop. Yep, you tighten it up too tight. You were overcompensating because I was below.
I know. I almost fell backwards. I was like, I know that. Oh, that crushed me.
That's it.
I put that on the deal.
No, Dad. No, Dad. No, hon.
Here we go. See, that's all the drama. Nothing to cry about, Grandpa. Daddy wasn't going anywhere.
See? Daddy's in the house.
I'll slide backward. You pull this out.
Call, please.
What?
What's the call?
A cup? Oh, that's not working yet. There's no water.
No water yet, Peanut. That's Grandma's and Grandpa's new fridge. Oh, it has
Yeah. Wheels.
You got wheels. Nice.
See-through screen, touch screen.
Right. Fancy.
Door and door.
See, that's what they're crying.
Transparent.
Milk, orange juice, without opening up the whole fridge.
Oh, that's not a bigger space.
No.
Oh, wow. Nice.
The first door is just for stuff you go to.
Oh, right.
Then
So
you
you
don't
don't
let all
have...
the cold air out. Plus, it's a linear compressor.
Fancy.
Trying to remember where.
Very nice.
Get out of there.
Very nice.
My maniz pedazo will fit right here.
You don't need to be sorry.
Sad. You're fine.
Grandma, sorry. I covered the old main fridge.
How about the fridge?
Do you like the new fridge? This is Grandma's new fridge. Do you like it? Is it nice? Yeah.
Grandma will have it replaced with the new one. Can't understand what you're saying.
You got a full mouth.
Your mouth is full.
Hi.
It's okay, Sam. You sit here.
Where's your tools?
Boleh situ dulu, mana?
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Grandma. This is for Grandma.
Kulkas ini nanti dipindahin ke sana, guys. Ini kulkas lama, jadi di out. Sit down, sayang. Sit down. You wanna be closer to mommy?
Daddy.
Why is this so traumatic for you? Huh? It's good.
Sorry. No problem.
No problem.
This one melted.
Yep, no
That one melting?
Yep.
Yeah, it will melt.
No problem.
That's okay. Grandma's already moving all the stuff.
Big hug. Big hug.
Sorry.
Oh.
Yeah, you're doing good. Eat your sandwich.
It's okay then.
Daddy, daddy, daddy,
Daddy's right here.
daddy, 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 daddy.
You want Daddy to feed you? Grandma was
Yep,
done.
they're actually above the countertop.
Got it?
There you go.
There's that door again. Or that knob. Still good?
Look, watch.
Thermostat and everything.
I'm watching those.
They're moving it over there. Say bye-bye, fridge. Bye.
Get out on this.
Bye-bye, fridge. Yep, it's moving out.
Daddy, daddy.
It's okay. They're just putting it out of the door. It's fine, Zaya. Daddy will be right back. Wanna go see them?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, come here. So sad. See? Just putting it there.
Oh, that's still.
Grandpa is so strong. Like Thanos.
You need to slide the whole thing out of there, Dave.
Captain America.
Daddy, daddy.
I almost go here. I almost got it.
It's
I
okay.
think I got it now.
You got it now?
Have to be able to go
Daddy,
straight out.
Daddy, wait, come out, daddy.
It's okay, Sam. It's okay. Daddy's gonna help Grandpa putting that out.
Alright, that'll work.
Grandpa just moving it out there. What is it? Oh.
Hi. What?
She missed you, she said.
Oh, it was so long since you last saw me.
Yes, honey. Grandma's cleaning.
Tadi mau pakai vacuum cleaner guys, bersihin lantai sini ya bekas fridge. Cuman karena si Medi takut, sayanya nggak jadi tadi vacuum, ya. Do you have more paper towel?
I just had to put, no, I got it. You can sit. I don't want to get dirty.
Matches the stove.
What do you use to clean the
Vacuum cleaner square. I'm just using water right now, and then I'll probably
Here.
just afterwards.
I can help you.
After I get all the big, I just want to get the big chunk up first, and then.
Oh, okay. And then paper towel?
Yeah.
All right, give your dad 5. High 5.
Yeah, I'm just getting the big dusty stuff up, and then I'm gonna, I'll clean with a different rag type thing. I'm just doing the big stuff right now. That's all.
I just cut the copper out of there
For what?
because I don't want it rubbing again, vibrating against the back of the fridge.
Are you getting a different type of line then?
Well, the blue one's the one that comes from the chemical. Copper came from just the regular house.
All right.
It's not even hooked up in the basement.
What is it?
It was at one time and turned the valve on up there. And left it down in the basement.
Oh, and that's the one that leaked
All over the floor.
everywhere.
Is that clean?
Yeah.
Is Dad gonna pull that out?
Yeah.
Let me grab a soda. Dad, you want anything? You want?
Sprite or something.
Mom?
Yeah, I'll grab. Yeah, if there's, I'll have a Sprite as well. Christine, you want a Sprite?
Sure.
Okay.
Or Coke, if you have Coke.
There's 2-liter bottle of Coke we can put in cups.
I gotta check and see if that size is that nut the wrong size.
This? On the floor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
What about the Coke? Where are they at?
It's a 2-liter bottle, babe. We'll have to put it in a cup.
Oh, this thing's clean. It's wonderful.
Yeah, I know. I gave you guys those rags.
Yep. I do have them. I just never use them.
Yeah, and for
I should
cleaning up
start.
grease, Christina,
that
it's awesome.
Isn't that
The
purple?
Norwex.
Is that the purple one or?
That's for doing mirrors.
Okay.
But I gave you some
Right.
kitchen rags too.
I remember that.
But to clean up grease, it's awesome.
I will have to find them. I know they're still in the bag.
I have extras here if you want to take one.
No, I still have them in the house. I just don't know where I put
With
them.
the silver?
Yeah, the Norwex rags, they work so good. They're awesome.
Ano. Kalian tahu guys, ini ya. Ini namanya produk Norwex. Saya tidak dibayar ya, tidak promosi, tapi ini benar-benar luar biasa. Kalian tidak perlu nyuci pakai apa namanya deterjen ini. Direbus aja di panci di air panas 15 menit bersih ya. Jadi ini bisa bersihin noda di lantai karena dia what does it contain of silver you said? Silver. Jadi ada silver di situ bisa membunuh kuman dan segala macam guys. Jadi kalau kalian penasaran, kalian pergi saja ke websitenya Norwex. Bagus guys.
Babushka?
Bagus. Babushka. That's Russian, right?
Yes.
Babushka. Oh ya, tadi ada yang kotor di sini guys, bekas kayak bercak-bercak begini ya. Dia bisa hilang guys. Tuh, kalian lihat ya. Digosok aja begitu. Lebih mantap dari kain pel ini guys. Wah biasa. Jadi ini lantainya dibersihin sebelum apa namanya? Kulkas yang baru diletak di sini biar debu-debunya bablas semuanya ya.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do originally, but
Kasihan mertua saya kalau jongkok-jongkok ya. Nanti sakit pinggangnya, biar kita yang muda aja. Karena saya kebetulan di sini karena saya tahu hari ini papa mertua saya minta bantuan suami saya buat mindahin freezernya, fridge-nya yang baru. Karena saya tahu pasti mesti bantuin beresin isi kulkas ya, pindahin ke atas meja tadi semua. So yeah, we can have stuff this tight in Indonesia.
You can't have it this
No,
way?
no, because Mouse will get in there, making it their home.
I think that happens occasionally here too.
Yeah, but rare in Minnesota, right?
Yeah.
Except
Yeah.
if your house is
'Cause
invested.
You would know they were here,
Right,
so you would put a trap out.
right. Because I don't think there is really any way to, you know, terminate rodents there in Indonesia. Because
Well, and I think you think.
because our house are open.
Yeah. Right. Exactly.
Right. Si Medi itu tadi pagi bangun awal guys dia. Terus ini tadi mau diajak tidur siang dia nggak mau ya karena biasa kalau ke rumah neneknya. Always excited. Ini isi barang dari kulkas tadi ya. Ada juga yang udah dibawa keluar. Nanti ditaruh di situ. Oh, ini mama mertua saya masak roti guys buat besok acara Easter.
Okay, the key will be is that water line fix on there over here. I can check it right here.
You want me to turn this off?
Yep. Perfect. Thank you.
I got that order. Yes, sayang. Huh? Oh, do you want sandwich? You said want some more. What do you want? Daddy's being a good boy, helping Grandpa.
Daddy, Mama, baby, Daddy.
Okay, sayang. Daddy's helping Grandpa moving.
Yeah, well,
See?
we only need to raise it a half inch.
Grandpa, come
Okay,
here.
let's go see. Let's go see. Okay, let's go see.
Grandpa.
You watch.
Let's go see.
Daddy.
Let's go see. Look at that fridge. Look at that.
You put away.
Yep, they're going to put it away. See, they're going to wear that
Okay.
belt. They're going to wear the belt.
Underneath.
See? Yeah.
Daddy, come here. Daddy's
Hey,
here.
truck.
Is your daddy?
Go from behind. You'll go easier.
Daddy.
You okay?
Gotta unleash the gash.
Really didn't sound good.
It's okay as long as you don't get close.
No. She even knows that. Oh dear.
Oh dear, dear.
Okay, watch your strap on the metal thing on the side of the fridge. And then we just gotta really watch the handles. You standing straight up and down?
Not yet.
And then what I want to do is just go down with your knees just a little bit. We just want to get the pressure off the wheels.
Right.
Ready?
Hang on.
Okay. I tighten mine up 2 inches, 3 inches.
You tightened yours up already?
Yep. I'm squatting right now. Ready?
Yeah. Alright, I'm squatting.
Okay, up. Okay. Can you balance? Or you're leaning forward. Just watch the door to knobs on this side. You're close. You can do it.
Oopsie.
Okay.
Oopsie.
That's
There he goes. He moved. Daddy and Grandpa are so strong.
okay.
Yes.
You ready to pull it
Small
out?
one.
Yep.
Yes, they are. You are the small one.
I have missed it.
Yeah.
Too big.
Whole thing out.
I'm not too big now.
You want to be big?
Daddy.
Here, just wait. Daddy will come.
I'll come over to you now.
Oh iya guys, kalian notice nggak? Ini dinding mertua dicat.
You gonna be okay on an airplane?
She will be alright.
So if you're watching movies the whole time.
Yep. Dicat. Dulu kan warnanya agak merah tua gitu ya guys ya, karena ada marun, merah bata ya maksud saya. Diganti jadi di freshen up. Di sebelah sini jadi kayak accent gitu ya, accent dindingnya dikasih cat begini. Dan itu juga apa namanya? Sama mertua saya kemarin dia minta pendapat saya gimana kalau masih pakai foto apa? Tahu kan kalian hiasan dinding yang lama itu yang ada lukisan kayak pot apa gitu ya? Karena itu kan kemarin disesuaikan dengan dekorasi yang lama jadi ada merah-merahnya. Sekarang saya bilang mungkin diganti dengan warna yang lebih serupa gitu. Jadi dia nyari dinding, jam dinding sama warnanya. Cakep ya guys ya. Jadi lebih terang gitu dia warnanya, cantik. Shall we? What shall we? Gitu guys, cara pasang kulkasnya. Jadi ini air untuk air minum ya, jadi bisa langsung diminum, disaring, masuk kulkas.
Yeah, I hear it.
So that's what you did down there. You turn on the water line or turn off the water line.
Oh, did you get your finger? Oh.
Oke. Jadi airnya dihidupin lagi biar ngalir untuk kulkas. Air minum. There you go.
It's leaking down there.
No.
Then we have to check in here. I think like in a certain order we're supposed to do this.
No leaking.
Grandma, video.
Filter.
That's a big bite.
That's just a teeny bit. You're gonna get more. You gotta get the cheese.
You want the cheese?
You can feed through those too.
Here's the egg and the bacon. Here's the cheese.
She just dropped that.
Here's the bacon. You like the bacon.
Can you show again?
This here just opens up the front for orange milk, juice, whatever you grab a lot. Then you just open up the whole thing, which might be a little bit of a problem there. We'll have to do this one. Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Open both.
Then I'm over as far as I can, so that's...
For the princess.
The thing is, the only charge tax cheaper.
I'm going to pay 900 million in taxes for 180.
You got boots. Boots.
You gonna go with the guys? Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
In the back.
See ya. See you later.
I mean, that's...
You get a buckler in too. Hey Chris, don't
Yeah?
forget there's stuff in the fridge.
Okay. Uh-oh.
You ended up playing in the snow.
Ugh, look at the ice. It's like diamond. Sparkling. Ice. Lihat sini dia guys. Udah lihat salju. Jadi ini masih ada barang di dalam kulkas yang lama. Saya mesti keluarin semua. Buah. Dingin guys. Dingin. Salad. Nggak mau dia diajak beli es krim guys. Namanya main salju dia. Bisa dia kalau udah lihat salju. Limonnya pengen kering aja di situ. Nggak ada. Oh, di sini sudah kosong. Mary does not want to go. No, she wants to play snow. She doesn't want to go that way. It's just funny. Kurang lebih kayak punya kita sih dia modelnya. Cuman kita nggak ada kompartemen di tengah. Semua dibagi dua. I like how it looks though. Veggies. La, la, la. And then fruits. Lemon, lime.
Are those carrots still okay?
Yeah, they look fine.
Okay. What's the date on them?
March 22nd. Some of the bottom there.
Yeah, I think maybe let's get rid of them.
What are the apples?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were really good, but they went
Spongy.
spongy really fast. But they were really good and right away in the fall.
This one looks fine. This one
Is it?
bad. Yeah.
No, I can feel it though.
Oh,
It's spongy on the
spongy.
inside. And all the ones I've been eating, I've been forcing myself to eat them, but
Oh.
they've been terrible.
Yeah, some of these kind of apples they go bad really
This
fast.
was a new one I had never heard of before, and this fall they were awesome. They were crisp and sweet, and
Yeah.
they're still very sweet.
What's the name of it?
Ambrosias, and they're still
Ambrosia?
very sweet, but They're spongy and
Yeah, they turn
inside
spongy
they're
quick.
mostly brown.
Di Kalimantan itu opsinya masih terbatas. Nggak tahu sekarang ya, saya sudah tidak pulang. Maksudnya udah lama tidak explore tempat perbelanjaan itu, jadi kurang tahu ya. Kalau di sini tuh begitu banyak jenis apel guys, macam-macam jenisnya. Dan itu tadi mama mertua saya bilang, did you say ambrosia?
Ambrosia. Yeah.
Ambrosia, nama apelnya itu dia modelnya kalau musim gugur itu rasanya enak banget gitu loh, crispy, crunchy gitu ya, manis. Dan kalau misalnya udah lewat seasonnya, udah lewat musimnya, dia rasanya kurang enak gitu ya. Kalau di sini kan buah pakai musiman gitu dia. Kalau sudah lewat musimnya ya rasanya sudah tidak enak lagi gitu loh, berubah rasanya, kurang manis lah, asam lah, dan sebagainya. Dan itu setahu saya kalau di Indonesia dulu apelnya nggak banyak opsinya ya waktu zaman saya. Dan terakhir saya pulang itu 5 tahun lalu guys, jadi saya tidak tahu perkembangan sekarang seperti apa ya. Kalau di Jakarta sih sudah pasti lebih pesat ya daripada daerah-daerah kayak di Kalimantan, terutama Kalbar. Tapi saya dengar sekarang Kalbar juga sudah maju gitu loh ya, macam-macam, ada Gojek dan segala macam. Zaman dulu itu guys, waktu saya pulang ke Indonesia tahun 2013, taksi juga masih taksi yang perorangan gitu loh, yang mereka apa istilahnya pakai taksi perorangan. Bukan kayak Gojek sekarang yang tinggal call atau text online udah langsung tinggal datang, nggak ada GoFood ya, itu nggak ada dulu. Sekarang apa-apa enak, malas keluar, tinggal SMS GoFood langsung datang ya kan. Dulu aja waktu saya pacaran sama Bang Dev, kita berhubungan itu online ya sebatas masih chat, pakai Yahoo, pakai Skype. Tidak ada istilah pakai WhatsApp yang sekarang bisa texting langsung, bisa call langsung gitu ya, murah ya kan, tanpa mesti bayar. Dulu kita harus pakai Skype, telepon ke handphone, dan itu kita mesti beli kredit gitu, kayak isi pulsa gitu guys, dan itu mahal gitu loh. Sekarang kalian beruntung sekali yang LDR, tidak sesusah waktu zaman kita dulu yang masih pakai email, nelpon juga harus pakai Skype, bayar lagi. Kalau sekarang gampang ya kan, asal ada wifi di rumah atau 3G atau 4G aja udah gampang ya kan, bisa nelpon, enak lah gitu ya sekarang, komunikasinya lancar, gampang. Kalau zaman dulu aduh nek, internet juga masih slow, nggak ngegas kayak sekarang. Saya mau bantu mertua saya beres-beresin barangnya, kasihan juga dia guys. Jadi ya, oh ya saya mesti taruh mainan Medi juga sebelum kita pulang, jadi biar beliau nggak beresin lagi ya. Are you cold? What do you say? Did you say I'm so cold?
I'm so cold.
I so cold?
Oh, sis.
Uh-oh, where's your pants? Where's your pants? Where is it? Here, let's put this pants on.
I'm so cold.
I know, it's because you don't have pants on. Pakai celana yuk, ayo. Mary,
I'm so cold.
pakai celana yuk. I know you're so cold.
I'm so cold.
Yeah, you're so cold. Here you go. Lay down. Lay down.
I got the book. Oh no.
Look at this butt. Sticking up. Your butt is sticking up. You're tired.
I mean, that ain't
Pet the butt. Pet the butt.
I got similar support.
I guess
Stick up a lot.
Let's put pants on there.
No, I'm so cold.
Such a camera. Let me see you a little ham.
the 16.
She likes to see herself in there and then giggle. Hey, look at your nose. Beep.
Higher ground way over here, so if your stairs could come down that way, it could be just like mine, it's straight down. Out into the yard.
Lihat matanya tuh.
Grandma,
Peanut.
I tried it.
You see your eyes?
And that should be high enough that even looking out your window, it's not gonna ours is
And your tongue?
not that high. It'd be nice if mine was high enough where I could walk underneath without moving my head. But
Is ours like that?
water main.
I'm so cold. I cold.
Look at that, right in the back there.
damage. It's discredited
Burrito, Maddie, burrito.
because that damage is so severe. City crews got the one thing fixed, but it could take months to repair some of the problems inside of these homes. The Red Cross tonight.
She's pretending that she sleeps.
I know, I could hear
Yep.
like the big snore.
Yep.
Person, thank you very much. Chopper 5 was also over on another scene today. This is the view of some
Snoring,
serious
Maddie?
damage. A fire did to a home that was under construction in Blaine this morning, right along the 4500 block of
Tidak! Tidak!
You don't want her to this late.
No.
Not at 6.
No nap time.
No nap time, you.
Be early to bed for you. That'd be good. Sit up there and then it works.
Who is the ghost?
That's because those ceilings aren't
Who is the ghost?
properly. That's those chutes we put in. That lets cold air.
Jadi hantu ya. Medi jadi hantu. Ghost.
Freeze.
Where's the ghost?
Are you a ghost?
Uh-oh.
Didn't have time to.
Didn't quit till 4:35.
I was like, oh.
Hi, sayang. Who did you call sayang? Huh? Did you call mommy sayang? Let's put pants on you.
No, I'm so cold now.
I know you're so cold now, but that's why you don't have pants. That's why you're cold.
Oh, so what's that? That's not good. It's not it. No. It's so cold now.
You're so cold now.
I think.
Your head's gonna hit this. Careful.
Wheels in there.
I had to cut it out.
There you go. This is Maddie the Casper. Oh, the ghost down. The ghost is down.
Good job, Miss Ghost. Are you running?
Good morning.
Go running.
Go running. Dog.
My goodness.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Count in bahasa.
1, 2, 3.
Count in bahasa. 1. Okay, 1. Hey, in bahasa sayang. In bahasa. 1, 2, 3. You scared now? You tired? Yeah. Say what?
Okay.
Say please.
What do you say?
Please.
No.
What color?
One more,
You want green one?
pink.
Not pink? Here you go.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Go sit nicely.
Yes,
Hey, say hi dulu. Hi. Say hi dulu, Zen.
Hi.
What do you have? What is that?
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Give me cupcake.
Can you toss this in the garbage, please?
Oh, Grandma.
She'll be right back. It's okay. Come on. Toss it in the garbage. Buang tempat sampah yuk. Come on. Buang ke tempat sampah supaya bersih. Where is the garbage? Put it in the garbage. Good girl. Makasih.
Sama-sama.
Okay. Where's the other one? Don't know where's the other one. Where did you put it, Yang?
It's
What is that?
cupcake.
Peanut butter cupcake?
A bubble cupcake.
Mm-hmm.
A bubble cupcake.
Yeah.
Yummy, so yummy cupcake.
So yummy cupcake?
Yummy.
How yummy is it? Yummy much?
Yes.
Yummy much, huh? Okay, eat. Put it in your mouth. Here, give mommy the garbage. Kasih.
Mama, Mama.
Where did you put your water, Yang?
It's on the rocking chair.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. And you say you're well?
You're welcome.
Lihat guys, nanti beresin mainannya sendiri. Karena saya bilang sebelum pulang nanti dari rumah Krema, dia mesti ambil itu mainannya satu-satu ya. Mesti diberesin. Tadi dia berantakin semua guys sampai ke lantai. Kemana-mana. Good job, Mary.
You all done? You want to eat somewhere?
Don't forget the tray in there, close to the fridge. And the dye. Don't forget the dye there on the floor. And the train. Purple train. That's it. And this one, the dye. There you go. And this. The train plates. Good job. Good job. Oh, put the box into there too. And the lid. The lid, Miss Mary. Tutupnya.
Yeah, we were doing. We're hauling the fridge out there.
I know.
Where's the other fridge?
No one.